What you call? What you call? What you call? Why would you call?
Why do I say so?
Why would you call?
Why do I say so?
Hey, mina ngiyahlanya yasi. Mina ngiyahlanya. What ngiyahlanya?
Don't you say I'm crazy?
How ngiyahlanya?
I say I'm crazy.
Ngihlanyiswa ubani?
Who makes me crazy?
Ngihlanyiswa ubani mina? Ubani ungihlanyisayo?
Who makes me crazy? Crazy. In a good way. I get crazy in God's home. Not in alcohol places. Not in girlfriends. I don't cheat. I'm married, I have a wife. Did you hear me? I am married. My wife is at home. For the angel to work. When the angel wants to work. When you want your ancestors to take care of yourself. Don't sleep around. Speak. You don't know. Now you don't know. Crazy. You see that I'm crazy. Crazy man is calling you grandma. Who gave birth to your mother. You've never called her. You only hear from me. I'm the one telling you. That says,
when a woman is jealous from this man,
and you're not amazed that I'm the same. You're amazed. Where does the prophet? Because the prophet is crazy. The crazy things of heaven. Today your things are going to open up. Do you hear me? Say yes, raise up your hands. You must wash your hands today.
Ulikhumbula uhlanya lolu hlanya ulikhumbula.